The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning, front, keyless entry, cruise control, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio, MP3 playback stereo, power door locks, power windows, daytime running lamps, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel, front disc rear drum brakes, steel wheels, digital clock. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.